Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explain how long gift card activation takes and guide you through the process step by step. Step 1. Identify the type of gift card you have. Physical cards purchased in stores may take a few minutes to activate, while digital cards are often activated instantly online. Step 2. Check your receipt or email confirmation. For physical cards, activation usually occurs at the point of sale. For digital cards, activation is automatic after payment is processed. Step 3. Visit the official website or use the official app if activation is required manually. Some cards may need you to enter the card number and PIN to activate. Step 4. Enter the gift card details exactly as shown. Double-check for typos to ensure the system can recognize the card. Step 5. Submit the activation request. Most gift cards are activated instantly, but some may take up to 24 hours depending on the issuer and payment processing time. Step 6. Confirm your balance. Once activated, check your account or card balance online or via app to make sure the funds are available for use. Step 7. Keep your card and confirmation safe. If activation takes longer than expected, contact the issuer's customer support for assistance. That's it. Following these steps helps you understand and manage gift card activation time efficiently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy and helpful step-by-step guides.